The Mauritian people need international assistance to fight against terrorism in Mauritius. We need assistance from the European Union, the United Nations, and the African Union. This year, the European Union inserted Mauritius in the blacklist for the financing of terrorism, and I am making an effort to remove Mauritius from this list. I am the founder of Prevention of Terrorism Association, and you can find all my campaign on our Facebook page, Prevention of Terrorism Association. In the last 30 days, we have witnessed the two greatest terrorism threats since the Prevention of Terrorism Act came into force in our country. The first threat is about a terrorist organization, and they were planning to gather weapons, including firearms, to use against other Mauritians for political reasons. They even said that they are thirsty for blood. They were even planning to import into Mauritius illegal weapons in large quantities from abroad. We have screenshots of their messages they sent among themselves in their secret WhatsApp group, and we uploaded the screenshots on our Facebook page, Prevention of Terrorism Association. Please check this out and tell us if this is terrorism or not. The second threat is about a video we uploaded in the same Facebook page. We have news from India that there were transfer of funds, 600 million rupees or more, from Mauritius to India to promote terrorism activities in India. Because of political interference, although we have the Prevention of Terrorism Act in Mauritius, and that there was infraction against such law, we are still seeing that our institutions are deaf, dumb, and blind. This is why we are calling for international assistance. We are making effort to remove Mauritius from the blacklist of financing of terrorism. And please, believe me, we can only achieve this with the help of international assistance, not without. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks from deep inside my heart. My peaceful greeting to all of you.